Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, be sure to hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon. I've included a link in the description that'll take you directly to the product page where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? If you are looking for a dash cam for your car, but you want something with a nice clean install that looks like maybe it came with your car when you bought it from the dealer, this is going to be the perfect product for you. So this was sent over by a company called Fitcamx. It's going to come in this little box right here, and they have a ton of different options for different cars out there. So I personally have an Acura MDX with the auto dimming mirror. And so this is built for that particular car. But like I said, if you have a different car, they may have a product that works perfect, because their whole concept here is to have a clean install that looks like it came out of the OEM factory. So it was always part of your car. No dangling wires, no little thing just stuck on your glass that stands out. It is seamlessly integrated. So once you open it up, this is what the device looks like. As you can see, it has the little camera on the front. On the side here, it's going to have a little micro SD card that you can go ahead and save that footage to. It comes with a 64 gigabit SD card. However, if you want, you can go ahead and put up to a 256 if you want to record more, or you can just pop it out and clean it out. It also does support loop recording, so it will erase over the oldest footage if you want to utilize that, so that way it keeps utilizing the memory card. It does have geosensing in here, so if it does detect any bumps or anything like that that thinks you may be in an accident, it will go ahead and automatically save that into a secure folder so it doesn't erase it over it. So you're going to want to go in here and clean out that every once in a while, which is very, very easy to do. But let's go ahead and talk install, because this thing is super, super easy to install. So for my particular car, it has the auto dimming mirror. There's a little plastic piece. You're just simply going to remove that, and then you're going to unplug the auto dimming mirror. It's going to come with a little splitting cable that you're going to insert in between. So one side's just going to plug into the mirror. The other side is just going to plug into the part that's going to your car. And then you're going to have the little kind of Y-off splitter. This is what's going to plug into the actual camera itself. And then you're just going to push this up into position. And now you have that seamless install. Like I said, very, very easy to utilize, very, very clean install. Now, once you have activated it, powered on your car, this camera is gonna start automatically recording. You can access that footage two ways. I find it easiest to just remove the SD card. They do include a little USB-C or USB adapter where you can plug in the micro SD card on the side. You can easily access this from any tablet, laptop, PC, etc. You can delete, you can save, whatever. Very, very easy to utilize. Now, if you wish, you can also utilize their app. It is simply the Fitcamx app. Through that, you can also download the footage. You can review the footage. It's up to you. Now, this does connect to that app via the Wi-Fi. However, like I said, as soon as you start your car, it will automatically start recording. If you do wish to manually take photos or power it off, there is a power button and a camera button directly on the unit itself, so you can control it. You do not necessarily need to have the app running while you are driving to record. That is a very important thing, because that means you can utilize your navigation system, which most phones connect via Wi-Fi, so there are no conflicts or anything like that. You can use your normal system, and this camera will go ahead and work. As I mentioned, it does have that loop recording, which is absolutely great. So that way you can continue to get that footage. It also has the geosensing, so it can detect and save that footage if it detects bumps or thinks you're in a wreck. This thing does have that 4K camera with a 1.6 aperture. It's a nice wide angle, so you can be able to see out the whole entire front of your window. And it's going to record at 2160p at 30 frames per second. So very, very easy, great footage. It also does do great night footage. So if you do drive around at night, you're gonna be able to see as well. Now, I have just the front camera version here. You can also get it with the rear camera, which then you'll have to run that cable all the way to your back of your car. Once again, it's up to you. They have multiple options. But like I said, if you're just looking mainly for a very clean camera, dash cam that looks like it came with your car, this one is totally worth checking out. If there's something I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till the next video. You guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.